Do you know why businesses prefer Shopify POS over Lightspeed? You don't need workarounds to manage your business. Lightspeed requires workarounds to keep current, whether it's enabling local pickup from numerous locations or transmitting product information between retail and e-com. Shopify syncs in real time, streamlining operations for inventory, customers, and orders. No patching or manual reconciling necessary. You can maintain inventory control. Online sales on Lightspeed can only be sourced from a major retail location. This implies that even if other locations have available goods, you may wind up overselling at one location. Shopify allows you to prioritize which locations should fulfill online orders first or which should fulfill an order depending on the location that is nearest to the customer. Returns are processed quickly. If you want to get Shopify POS, follow the link below. To accept online purchases in store using Shopify, just locate the original transaction in POS and process the refund. Inventory is updated and shipping expenses are repaid. On Lightspeed, you must switch between your e-com account, retail account, and online payment provider. This also implies that whoever handles the return must have a login and will have access to all of your e-com data, even if they are only processing a refund. You can alter your strategy at any time. When you're on Lightspeed versus Shopify POS, where you're in control of your firm, changes like expanding your product limit or adding personnel necessitate a meeting with sales. You may upgrade, downgrade, or cancel your subscription at any moment using the Shopify admin. And if you want assistance, our team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You receive robust e-commerce tools. Over 1 million businesses worldwide use Shopify to sell in store, online, on social media, and through online marketplaces. The platform is designed to provide you with all of the tools you need to manage items, people, and payments as your business expands. Shopify also provides capabilities that go beyond sales, such as marketing and customer relationship management, as well as product sourcing and order fulfillment. To obtain answers to your Shopify POS questions, follow the link below.